So once you have Demand Sage up and are using it to pipe your backend HubSpot data into a Google Sheet, there's a few different ways that you can consume and manipulate your data. And one of those ways is our custom report builder, basically a visual way of running queries across all of your HubSpot data. So in order to access this, let's go into our Demand Sage connected Google Sheet. We'll add a tab, and under Add-ons, Demand Sage, Build Custom Report. Once you've got this right-hand dialog open, you can choose whether you want to run this across companies, contacts, or deals. We'll run with contacts. You can choose a date range, either manually or from our picker. We will choose month to date. And then you can choose the metrics that you want to report on. We're going to stick with count of contacts, but you can use date metrics. You can use any variety of metrics you want to look at. We're going to group our rows by original source, and let's take it a little further and go to original source drill down 1. And then finally, we'll group our columns by lead status. And for good measure, let's add a filter. We're going to choose contact owner. We want to make that equals to Henry Jim. Great. So once you are done picking what data you want to look at, just click Insert Table, and you'll see a query will run in the background, and you get this output just as we wanted it to be. We've got our rows grouped by source and drill down, and we've got our columns grouped by lead status. And this is only contacts who are owned by Henry Jim. So this is an effective way to run quick, easy queries across all of your HubSpot data, and we hope it is very useful for you.